Natco Pharma's Q2 fiscal year 2026 earnings are finally out. Here are the complete earnings. All of the figures are in millions of rupees. So, in Q2 fiscal year 2026, the company produced revenue of 14,630 million rupees or 1,463 crores. This was a slight increase from Q2 fiscal year 2025's earnings of 14,349 million rupees, 1,434 crores. So a slight increase. However, EBITDA, that is earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, decreased from 868.1 CR to 679.2 CR. EBITDA margin decreased from 60.5% to 46.4%. These numbers are still like the best in the industry. Like 46.4% EBITDA margin is still the best in the industry. And finally, the PAT fell from 676.5 CR to 517.9 CR. PAT margin 35.4%, drastic fall from 47.1% 12 months back. Still best in the industry. Now, we saw the financials. Let us take a slightly more deeper look into where did the money come from and which revenue segment, okay, business segment. So first, let's go to the biggest one. Formulations, exports. What are formulations? Completed medicines, basically. Very simple explanation. Medicines you consume, like tablets, capsules, all of that. So formulations, the exports, the international business, reported revenues of 1,147 CR, a slight decrease from 12 months back, 1,211.3 CR. Formulations domestic. So the domestic business showed a slight increase of 105.4 crores from 102.3 crores. Then, very nicely, this is a positive, the crop health sciences business, which I believe is kind of like the micronutrients for farming, like fertilizer kind of micronutrients, developing that micronutrients for farming and all of that. Massive increase to 50, what is this? 52.4 crores from 14.1 crores. And they're expecting this division to finally be EBITDA positive. So this was earlier loss making. They are hoping this would finally be at that volume, that is, be at that scale where the business is finally EBITDA positive. So 52.4 crores from 14.1 crores in the API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, which is the main ingredient in a medicine basically. So why the medicine functions, why it cures the medicine or treats the disease that it actually does. Sorry, the disease that it actually does. The API is the reason. So from 49.6 crores to 53.9 crores. So overall, the formulations exports barely held up this quarter, and it's expected to decline further, extremely further in the future. Domestic business held up. Crop health sciences is on upward trajectory, and there was some other operating and non-operating income. This could mean like income on fixed deposits that the company has with some bank or other stuff like that. Pretty sharp increase from 57.6 crores to 104.3 crores. All right. Now, if you want maybe a bit more information on how the company Natco Pharma might go in the future based on what the management said in its con calls and all of that, you might want to watch the video that pops up right now on the screen.